Hello, camera enthusiasts. How's it going? Today, let's dive into a camera that offers simplicity without sacrificing quality, the Nikon Coolpix B500. It's a great choice for those looking for straightforward functionality with solid features. Stick around if you're interested in exploring what this camera has to offer. The Nikon Coolpix B500 is a bridge camera that combines the ease of a point-and-shoot with some impressive specs for zoom and image quality. This camera isn't about tons of manual controls. Instead, it's designed to give you a powerful zoom, decent image quality, and easy handling. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a solid, simple camera without a steep learning curve, the Coolpix B500 is versatile enough for various situations, from family gatherings to nature photography. One of the highlights of the Nikon Coolpix B500 is its 40x optical zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with surprising clarity. This level of zoom makes it ideal for wildlife photography, sightseeing, and other moments when you need to bring your subject up close without losing detail. To complement the powerful zoom, Nikon included vibration reduction (VR) technology. VR helps counteract camera shake, keeping your shots stable even when you're zoomed in, which is essential for handheld shooting at long focal lengths. The B500 comes with a 16-megapixel and 0.3-inch CMOS sensor that performs well in good lighting conditions. You'll get clear and vibrant shots outdoors with enough detail to share or print for personal projects. Low light performance can be a bit limited due to the sensor size, but with good lighting, it does the job effectively. Plus, the camera's easy-to-use interface and automatic shooting modes make it straightforward to capture decent images without constantly adjusting settings. For video enthusiasts, the Coolpix B500 records in Full HD at 1080p. It may not be 4K, but it provides solid video quality for casual users. One feature many will appreciate is the connectivity options. It has built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, allowing you to transfer photos and videos wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet. This is a convenient feature for sharing on social media without needing to connect to a computer. The Nikon Coolpix B500 runs on AA batteries, which is great for users who want to shoot without worrying about finding a charging port. If you're out for the day or traveling, it's easy to pack spare AA batteries and keep shooting without interruption. The camera also has an ergonomic grip, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Combined with its simple layout and straightforward menu system, it's very user-friendly, which makes it ideal for photographers of all skill levels. Overall, the Nikon Coolpix B500 is a practical choice for those who want a good balance of zoom, image quality, and ease of use. It might not have every advanced feature, but it gets the basics right and provides a hassle-free experience. If you're looking for a camera that's ready to capture everyday moments or even some distant wildlife shots, this could be worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera guides and reviews. See you in the next one.